Hello Dnation and welcome back to an unbox and review episode. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing a Team Ducati Racing 118 scale 2018 Motogp Super bike which is manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging, which seems to be premium as always. This diecast bike comes in a Ducati affiliated window type blister boxing manufactured by Maisto with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at this packaging before we set this beauty free. And with that out of the way, and as we get this opened, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Motogp motorcycles are purpose-built racing machines that are generally unavailable for purchase by the general public or able to be ridden legally on public roads. This contrasts with the various production-based categories of racing. So today, if not for the real deal, I could at least take pride in unboxing this licensed replica of the 2018 Team Ducati Motogp Super bike. This signature number 4 Andreadovizioso licensed Grandprix Superbike diecast replica looks quite premium like its life-size counterpart with attention to the minutest of details and has a good build quality to it, and also has quite a bit of intricate details with the paint apps and team affiliated decals. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with trademark paint apps with standard branding details and also has free rolling wheels, a race stand, excellent suspension and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a premium collectible and functional as well. I'm happy that I made a choice to get this variation as I'll be able to add this to my ever-growing 118 scale superbike collection. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium 2018 Motogp Superbike. And so with that being said, let's place this licensed diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Ducati's Motogp motorcycle was unveiled at the 2002 Italian GP at Mugello for use in the 2003 Motogp Championship. Ducati began taking part in the Motogp Championships in the 2003 season and won one title in the 2007 season. Ducati has collected 48 wins, 23 by Casey Stoner, 12 by Andreadovizioso, 7 by Loris Capirossi, 3 by George Lorenzo, and 1 each by Troy Bayliss, Andrea Lennon, and Danilo Petrucci. Marlboro had been the title sponsor since 2003. Although its name does not appear on the team's 2019 motorcycle, this comes at a time when advertising of tobacco sponsorship has become illegal in the European Union and other major teams have withdrawn from relationships with tobacco companies. For example, Yamaha ended their 5-year relationship with Fortuna. And for further information on Ducati Racing, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 1/18 scale licensed diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this 2018 Grandprix Superbike. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing, liking and sharing our videos, and stay tuned for reviews on the top 4 MotoGP Championship Superbikes coming up next. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.